Where's Natasha? There she is! Wearing a book like a hat. Yay! Bounce, bounce. Those are your plate of Cheerios. Whoops. Atta girl. You're getting good with that. Did you get it in there? Good job. You gonna read a book? Hey! Hi! I'm getting all this. It's a long video. Oh, did you take that out of your mouth? You can put it back in. We don't take food out of our mouths. Sweetheart, you want to put it back in? There you go. There you go. Good job. Keep it in there. Whoop. Almost. Where'd it go? Look at concentration. There we go. Oh, so good. Oh, pulling to a stand on Mama. Reaching for your grandmother behind me. Whoops. Let's not trip on the book. Whoop. It's okay, you're alright. Recover. There you go. It's a good girl. I'm not laughing at you, I'm laughing with you. That's the camera. Camera? Yeah. Camera? Okay. Cut.